Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to send your Google Slides presentation via email using the latest 2025 interface. Whether you're sharing your slides with a teacher, a client, or a coworker, this updated process is simple, fast, and super effective. Let's get started. First, open Google Slides and sign into your Google account. Once you're signed in, locate the presentation you'd like to send. You can either open an existing project from your Google Drive or create a new one by clicking on the plus icon labeled blank presentation. After opening your file, double check that your presentation looks exactly the way you want. Make sure all animations, transitions, and images are working properly. It's always a good idea to rename your file for clarity. Click the title bar at the top and give it a specific name like marketing_pitch_January 2025 so recipients can identify it easily. Now that your slides are ready, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Share and then click on Email this file. A new window will pop up right inside your browser. Here, you'll see several sending options. Under Email this file, you can enter the recipient's email address. You can add multiple recipients by separating each email with a comma. In the subject line, type something clear, such as Presentation Slides, Project Update. You can also add a short message in the body area to give context to your email, like, "Hi team, please find attached the updated presentation for tomorrow's meeting." Below that, you'll see a drop-down for file format. This is where you choose how you want your slides to be shared. You can select PDF, Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx, or even send it as a plain text link. PDF is ideal for viewing, while PowerPoint format is great if you want others to edit it using Microsoft tools. Once your details are filled out, click Send. Google Slides will automatically attach the file and send it directly through Gmail, saving you the step of downloading and manually attaching it. Alternatively, if you'd rather send a view-only link, click the yellow share button in the top right corner of your screen. Choose anyone with the link, then copy and paste it into your email or message. This method is perfect for group sharing without allowing edits. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Always double check your sharing settings to make sure recipients have the right permissions. If you want them to view only, select Viewer. If collaboration is needed, choose Editor. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send your Google Slides presentation via email in just a few clicks. It's quick, secure, and efficient with the 2025 Google Workspace update. Thanks for watching.